Hey everyone, I'm Heather and welcome to my channel. Thanks to all of you that watched my first video. I was so nervous to put it out, but thank you for being super supportive and watching it. So today I'm actually going to do a much more simpler look. This is a French girl inspired makeup tutorial. So way less products in the first video, super simple, and you'll totally be able to do this in under 10 minutes tops. So to start off with, I'm gonna focus on skincare because if you've been to any of the pharmacies in France, you will notice that they have so many products for skincare and they really prioritize that. So I'm gonna start off with this Cuddly Beauty Elixir. It really refreshes your face and also tones up your skin a little. So you just spray it on and voila, it's moisturized and it feels really good. You feel super refreshed. It kind of has like a minty smell and I love this. Next, I'm going to use this La Roche-Posay Effaclar H moisturizer, and this product is really great because it moisturizes your skin. It's geared toward dry skin, so it hydrates it like all moisturizers should do, but it also helps clear up your acne, which I'm prone to. So you just rub it in, you just take a little dab of it, rub it in, make sure you rub up like that. Okay, I'm glowing. So I'm gonna start off with brows. I'm just gonna take this Chanel eyebrow brush and just kind of contour them a little bit. Mine aren't the super most kept eyebrows, but and then what I'm gonna do is do a little bit of a fill-in. Not super define my brows with a pencil, but just use some eyeshadow even, just to fill them in. So I'm gonna use this Estee Lauder palette, and it's full of neutral tones. And I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit. Yeah, just like that, very simple, not too much. Next, I'm gonna add some blush. So of course, I'm gonna use Chanel. I love this blush. It is the Alizarin color, and it's really light and natural looking, but also has a little bit of a glitter to it when you put it on. So I just put on my cheek area like this. And then just to make it look more natural, I just kind of rub it in. I know it's not super technical, but just I think it looks better when you kind of rub it in and it's not just lines like that. And then next, surprisingly, this is the second to last step, I'm going to use just some regular black mascara. You can get at the drugstore. It's the Maybelline Great Lash, which I think everyone and their mother has sworn by over the years. Just put a little on. Nothing super dramatic. Maybe only a few brushes for each one. Each lash, I mean, but it'll keep it looking natural but still make your eyes pop a little bit. And that's the whole point of this French girl look. It's minimalist, it's simple, it's chic, but you still look fire. And so the last step, of course, is red lipstick. Of course, Chanel, and this is 152. And I'm just gonna put this on because this is what every French girl needs. And it's a liquid, so it applies on really nice and then put together. And voila, here's the look. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and hopefully tune in for more content in the future. Thanks. Bye.